How HTML describes a web page. It's simpler than you think. Hey everyone! So far, we've talked about how structure works in documents like Word files. Now let's see how websites do the same thing using something called HTML. HTML is like the blueprint of a web page. It tells your browser what goes where and what each part means. Imagine you open a website that says, "This is the main heading. This text is an introduction." And maybe a few smaller headings and paragraphs below. That's exactly like how you'd format your document. A big title at the top, smaller titles for sections, and paragraphs for details. But instead of clicking heading 1 or heading 2, web developers write a few simple lines of code. Here's what that looks like. Let's decode what's happening here. HTML tells the browser, hey, this is an HTML page. Body, everything inside the body tag is what actually shows up on your screen. H1, the main headline, like the title of your article. H2, a smaller heading, great for sections. P, a paragraph of normal text. Every tag has an opening and a closing version. See that little slash in H1 or P? That means this section ends here. HTML doesn't style your page, that's CSS's job. It just builds the skeleton, the structure, the layout, and the meaning behind each piece of text. Think of HTML as the bones of your website, and CSS as the clothes and personality. And that's the magic of HTML. It turns plain text into a structured web page your browser can understand. Next up, we'll dive into understanding markup, tags, and elements. That's where we'll see how these tags really work. So make sure to follow the channel for the next part of Chapter 1. It's going to get fun from here.